Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if a YouTube description link is not clickable. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I'm on my iPhone here. You can do this on Android or a computer, but we're going to open up the YouTube Studio app here. This allows you to control and edit, modify, and manage all of your videos. So let's just tap on a random video here. And you'll see on this video at the top right is a pencil icon. I'm going to edit that and tap on it. And now you can see under description, let's tap on it to add a link. And I'm just going to go down a bit. Now, if you have a link that looks like google.com, it will not be clickable. This is because it is missing a key part of the URL. And that is the https://. So if you're having trouble, the first option is to type that in, https://. And now it will be an official link. So keep in mind, you cannot just have the name.com. It needs to have the https. And now all we have to do is just go back here and hit save. And I'm going to tap on this to open up this specific video. Let's see if it worked. It didn't really work. Let's tap it again. And here we go. Now I can tap on more here. And if I scroll down to the description, you can see this is a clickable link. I can click on it. It will send me directly to Google. Now, there is another reason or two why you might not be able to do that. One is potentially if you need to verify your channel or your YouTube channel, your account, all that stuff, go to this page and walk through the steps of verifying it. Basically, if it is a newer channel, then YouTube might not allow you to have clickable links yet unless you go through that verification process. And then the second thing is if you are uploading YouTube Shorts, oftentimes they do not let you upload clickable links on there. So if you're on Shorts here, you can see in the description here or even in the comments, you will not be able to see any link that you will be able to click. This is just a decision that YouTube made, so it needs to be a long form content video like I showed you previous to this in the video. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. And I'll catch you on the next one.